Heartbreak hurts, but what if the way back isn't desperation or begging, but calm, powerful self-mastery? Today, we're unlocking 10 timeless Stoic secrets that will help you reverse a breakup by becoming the strongest version of yourself. 1. Accept reality without resistance. The Stoics taught that pain comes not from events, but from our resistance to them. Accept the breakup. It's real. That calm acceptance is your power source. 2. Control what you can, let go of what you can't. You can't control her feelings, but you can control your actions, your habits, your energy. Focus there. 3. Upgrade yourself without making it about her. Don't hit the gym or read books just to impress her. Do it because you refuse to stay broken. Let growth become your standard. 4. Embrace discomfort as fuel. The Stoics didn't run from pain, they used it. That emotional fire. Use it to build discipline, purpose, and emotional resilience. 5. Practice silence over explanation. Stop explaining yourself in endless texts. Let your actions and energy speak. Silence often commands more power than pleading ever could. 6. Don't chase attract. Stoic men don't beg to be loved. They become so composed, so grounded, that others gravitate toward them. Shift your energy from "please come back" to "I'm already whole." 7. Reflect without obsessing. Think critically about what went wrong, not to beat yourself up, but to gain wisdom. Don't replay memories, extract lessons. 8. Live by virtue, not emotion. Honor, integrity, and discipline, these are your guides now. Let them shape every choice. That kind of man is rare and unforgettable. 9. Prepare to walk away forever. You can't reverse a breakup if you're terrified of losing her. Be willing to never get her back. That detachment is magnetic. 10. Lead your own life. Make your life so rich, so driven by purpose, that getting her back becomes a bonus, not the mission. When you lead, others follow. Important tip. You want to get her back? Become the man who doesn't need her back. That's Stoicism. That's strength. Like, subscribe, and comment which of these principles hit hardest for you. Keep your head up and your standards higher.